Alright, so this is my 2001 Lexus GS300, and it's been broken down for like a couple months now, like 4 or 5 to be exact. And originally it was leaking fluid, and it was leaking fluid, and it was like all types of craziness. But it was like not fluid, but like radiator fluid and radiator coolant fluid, all that good stuff. And now I don't know what to do because it was the water pump. The water pump was going bad. So after I replaced the water pump and all that good stuff, like originally the car was driving, but it was overheating because of a little leak. But now I fixed it, got the water pump changed, and now the engine is ceased, and like it makes a click noise. Like, listen, you hear it? It's a little click. It's crazy. But anyone suggests any ideas of what's wrong, let me know. Comment.